Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can convert an image into a PDF. And I'm going to show you two methods to do this. So for example, here, I want to convert this image. So image is 5 here into PDF. Now, it's a bit of a low quality image, but we'll have to work what we have. Now, the first way we can do it is we're going to do it locally with an app we already usually have, which is Microsoft Word. So let's just open up Microsoft Word. Let's just open up Word like this. And then let's do a blank document. On the blank document here, you just want to insert and then insert a picture and then find your picture to insert it to. Now you can see, I'm just going to insert my current images here. So I'm going to insert this and I'm going to make it large like this. So it covers the entire page, right? If you want more options on how to do the layout, just click on this option here and make it this option here so we can move it whichever way we'd like. Now you can see I'm just going to move it like here. And now we're going to convert this to a PDF. I'm going to click on File. I'm going to click on Save As. I'm going to go to my current document and I'm going to call this Saved Image, right? And on the drop down menu here, I'm going to go to PDF here and I'm going to click on Saved. Now, once it's done, you can see now our saved image has been turned into a PDF. Now, another method we can also do is by going to our browser here and we can go to PDF to JPEG converter here. This is the website URL here. Now, you can click on select files and select on the file you want to turn into an image. I'm going to click on this and then you can see this is what it looks like. Click on convert. Now, this is much easier than Word, but you do have to upload your file to the website, which some people aren't comfortable with. So once it's done, just click on download here and it'll download your images into PDF. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.